Hello and welcome back to Pro Metal Buildings. Today we're going to show you how to design a one-car garage. So once you go into the design tool, go ahead and start design. And we're going into the state of Mississippi. Of course, it's going to give us a default, and all this information is nice to be able to click and see all the individual things. Since we're going to be doing a garage, we're going to go ahead and click that. You can start over if you want to start with just a carport and build it, but if you go to garage, we can always change the size. Since we're going to go pretty small, this is good for small properties, classic cars, maybe a compact storage. We're going to go with a 12 by 25. Let's stay with a 10-foot leg. There's some different options here, and you can click through those to get those prices also. I like the vertical. I think it's a good, strong building. So now that we've done that, we need to put a door on the front. So let's just pop right down to doors and windows. We're going to do a roll-up door. And the pencil will allow you to change the door size. So let's go ahead and do that. You can also have the door color change as well. So feel free to use that tool too. You can move all these things around. This particular door is like a storage door. It locks on the outside with a padlock. It does not have the chain hoist, not this size building. It's not until you increase the size does it come with a chain hoist. So that's that. And then of course you can change the colors as well. So you can do all kinds of different things with this, and you can even do a wainscot if you want to, right there. This also will give you dimensions. If you follow this down below, you can get a background on there and dimensions to show you where everything is at. And that's pretty much it for a one-car garage. And like I said, especially for this one, if you are doing like a classic car, at least do your roof insulation. It is really, the strip stop is really important for classic cars. You don't want it dripping on top because metal can sweat. So be sure, if this is an option, be sure to click on that, or you can do the double bubble. One's a little more expensive than the other one. There's some other options too. Feel free to look through there. You can see that there's the ground surface and engineering and all that good stuff. Once you're done, go ahead and hit share and save. The 3D builder is going to take a snapshot of different angles of your building, and then it's going to prompt you to put in some information about yourself and email you a design. It'll also email and include all the pricing and that kind of thing in the email. And we'll get a copy too at Pro Metal Buildings, and then our design team will be in touch with you. So we sure appreciate you visiting, and if you have any questions, you can give us a call at toll-free 888-536-1585. Thank you.